Hey everybody, what is up? How you doing out there? It is Unboxing with Timothy. And I will be doing an unboxing here for you today. Saturday I received this well, it wasn't able to be fit in my in a P.O. box. They give you a slip to let you know you got a package, so I went to go get it, and was gonna do it yesterday, but just got into watching football, so they'll be opening it today. So gonna find out who sent this box to me. Hey, let's lift this up. Who was this from? Hey Tim, love your cooking videos and hope these make your food prep a little nicer. Phil from Philip Mitchell. Hey Philip, well thank you very much. Let's see what he's got here. Okay. Let's open this. Let's see what he sent me. Oh, well, wow. Some sharp knives. And an apron. I believe this is an apron. Oh, yeah, it's an apron. Check that out, people. Got an apron as well, and got some sharp knives. Whoa! Look out, man! I might come at you guys. Wow! Thank you, Philip. I really appreciate this, big time. I really do. Thank you very much. And I'll be using them a lot. I know that's for sure. I've been using one just like this. But I'll give that a break and start using some of these. Again, thank you, Philip. Yeah, isn't that nice of Philip? People? That's awesome. Again, thank you, Philip. Yeah, you know, if any of you would like to send me something, feel free to. You know, my P.O. box is always down in the description box below. So, if any of you would like to send me something, feel free to. But if you can't, it's okay. Just send me your love. That's what counts. And I know some of you can't because you're in another country, and that's kind of hard too, so. But again, thank you, Philip, for these wonderful knives and this apron. I'll probably use a lot. Yeah. Wasn't that sweet of Philip, people, to do that for me? Help me out on my cooking. Again, thank you, Philip. Yep, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this unboxing here. And if you did, can you go thumbs up on this video? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. Smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new and you came along this video, hey, can you all please hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified about it as well. But until my next video, they call me Unboxing with Timothy. And this unboxing video's over. Have a good one. Take care.